Hey, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, fellas. How we doing? How we doing, everybody? We are live. Live from the Nut House. Eating donuts. Man, these are fresh donuts. They're delicious. Good morning, E. Petersheim. Lawrence, good morning. Just a Chat, good morning. Diego, Scottish Futures Trader, good morning. Sean, Futures Engineer, Just a Chat. R5 Studios, Gary. Trades by Johnny, good morning. Black Coffee, just on the other side of the wall, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Rippin' and Dippin' Orlando, DH, Mike S. Peter Schapp, let's go. Thor, good morning. Daniel T, Microplayer, Just a Chat, Trade and Jazz. Leon, good morning. Hey, Steve. Oh yeah, Patrick is fishing today, right? Patrick is fishing today. All right, hang on 1 minute. All right, well, we've got quite a bit of things to discuss this morning. We got quite a bit of things to discuss. So, hang on. I'll wait a little bit, but yeah, have, we've got quite a I mean, I'm going to say it's good news. I feel great. I feel way better about yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, I kind of did a thing. And it could have been bad, but it ended up being great. And I don't know. I don't know how I feel. Sorry, I'm just reading. All right. I might have stirred the pot once more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, hey, so first of all, let's go over we need to do a little bit of a reset from yesterday. I need to do it a little bit of an explanation. Hey, oh my God, UCLA Trades. Good morning, and I just saw your name and it made me think of, I did get your friend request, whatever. I did not mean to ignore you, but yes, sorry. I got distracted and I just forgot until now. Almighty, good morning. Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm Unstoppable. Good morning. Jim, Matty Matt, good morning. Let's go. You requested a 10K payout. Let's go. Waiting for your denial. Go ahead. Join the club, Matty Matt. So, overnight session was great. And yesterday's session, afternoon, the afternoon session was actually pretty good to me as well. and let's just dive in and kind of go over everything that I did yesterday afternoon. And I say this, I'm not sure if it was a good thing because I was definitely a little bit on tilt when this happened. I did a little bit of an account buying spree on tilt. So I don't know. I mean, it worked out great. So I guess we're going to take that as a positive. It's not usually a good idea for me to do that, but yeah, I bought two more straight to funded 50K Tradeify accounts. These are the two accounts that you see here. I had like almost $880 in profit yesterday afternoon on those two. And then in the overnight session, we secured another $500 in profit. We secured another $250 in profit on these three accounts. So we got another traded day locked in on the 150K accounts, which is great. We secured another traded day on the 150K Apex accounts. That was pretty clean. And we, like I said, I went on a little bit of a buying spree. I purchased 3 TakeProfit Trader accounts. I'm just trying TakeProfit Trader. This is not, I don't know. This is just me giving them a try. We got the accounts up yesterday a little bit. And then again, last night and this morning, we have $700 profit secured in these accounts. I think I need to get these accounts to like 5,600. I think, I'm not sure. Hey, Patrick sent you guys here. Thank you guys. Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We had a wild yesterday afternoon. But the biggest thing that happened yesterday afternoon was TakeProfit Trader. So we've got, okay, wait, the market is open. We are dropping like a rock. I need to pay attention here. I'm not going to trade, first of all. I want to know, is Sharuz in the house? Sharuz, raise your hand if you're here. But first of all, so the TakeProfit account, I had an old 75K blown pro account, and yesterday afternoon, I decided I went and reset it. I reset that account for what was it, $749? Pretty crazy expensive, but it worked out. For the day, we got a. This is the account yesterday, 75K account. Yesterday P&L $5,020. Let's go. So we officially have a TakeProfit Trader payout. We finally, so here's the deposit. Whoops, you guys can't see it, but basically right here, this is a $2,000. We took a $2,000 payout on that account. I mean, it ended up being $2,000. I withdrew $2,500, but with the 80-20 profit split, it ends up being $2,000. So anyway, bottom line is we spent a lot of money yesterday afternoon. I think I almost spent, I mean, it was over $1,500, and thankfully we made it back in one day. So kind of a net positive on the day. Plus we have a 75K account, this TakeProfit Trader Pro account. We have, and it is at basically any money we make, we can withdraw daily. So, I mean, I'm loving it. I'm ready for it. All right, we got to focus up, not pay attention to the Twitter drama. I stirred the pot a little bit again. I don't know. I keep doing it. I shouldn't. All right. Patrick Whelan, send you guys here. Thanks again for if you're coming here from Patrick, welcome. Okay, Sharuz, thank you, Sharuz. You're here. Okay, getting ready. Okay, Sharuz, I will try to pay attention. Again, we are going to be doing the chat. TakeProfit Trader account is right here. And whatever, Sharuz will be trading that account today. This is the TakeProfit Trader account that I will be trading today. I'm going to focus on trading the TakeProfit Trader account today. And I'm going to try to just try to get daily payouts. That's honestly my focus, is just get some daily payouts with TakeProfit Trader. Even if it's $400 or $500, $600 a day, I will take it. So I'm going to try to take it pretty slow, but still, you know, get some, just accumulate some daily payouts. And yeah, yes, Almighty, I basically spent a lot of money and I made it all back on the TakeProfit Trader account, thankfully. 100K straight to funded is 5K threshold and can withdraw 2K max. Yes, that sounds right. Are you talking about Tradeify, Darren Costs? That does sound right. What did I do to stir the pot? I don't want to talk. It's fine. Go follow me on Twitter if you want to know. No, it's fine. I just think, I mean, it's... All right, we got to pay attention. We got to pay attention here. I can't get distracted. We got to pay attention. Pay attention, Nutty. Come on. Focus up. All right. How did I deal with the trailing drawdown, Tony? You know what? Can I show my trades? Shoot, I cannot. Also, just a fun fact, I did enter the My Funded Futures trading competition just kind of for fun. But I got a pretty decent position running right now. I'm just going to keep it. I'm just going to keep riding it lower. I got short on my Funded Future competition account. I shorted up here at the 620s. We are currently still short. I might cover here soon. If we get down to the 220s. All right. Hey, Cone Killer. We took a lot of... I took some decent trades in the overnight session. I took a couple trades on these Tick accounts. Again, I'm just trying out Tick Trader. I'm just trying them out. I'd actually love to hear some of your guys' feedback from Tick Trader. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'm just trying them out. One micro here with 50-point stop. Okay, you're saying long? You're saying long? One micro long? I think it was long. Yes, okay. Oh, we got in just in time. Okay, we are in. Let's go. Let's go, Sharuz. Okay, you want a 50-point... I mean, I feel like... Do we just want to put the stop at the low of the day? Let's go, Sharuz. Let's go. All right, that sounds fine. All right, we're going to have the stop here, the low of the day. Whoops, that's the wrong thing. Okay, we got a chat trade going. Let's go. Yeah, a couple ticks lower. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, we'll give it a little bit of wiggle room here. All right, let's see. Can we get a move going? If I feel like, especially if we start getting above the 320s, if we start getting above the 320s, I think we can maybe get a move up. Maybe we test VWAP all the way up here to 420s. Again, in today's market, 100-point move is almost like it's not even a big deal anymore. 100-point move is just another day at the office. 100-point move in 5 minutes, no big deal. Hey, consistent trader, I scalp using tick in first 5 minutes and they terminated my paid account. Okay, see, that's the information I want, consistent trader. I want that type of information. See, this is what, yeah, anyway. This is why I want to try things first and get your guys' feedback. Exit at plus $50. Okay, so that would be 100 ticks. Hang on, I need to just do this. Exit at 50. By the way, I just discovered that the affordable indicator has a setting where you can click this and it goes to dollar amount. I love that. I love the dollar amount where I can just set my take profit and stop loss based on my dollar amount. It's really, really nice. All right, come on, fill me. As long as we hold here and we don't make new lows, I like this. There we go. Nicely done, Sharoos. Hey, let's go. Nicely done, Sharoos. Also, do not trade TickTick's account if you're traveling or going to another location. Okay, good to know. Good to know, Neo. This is the information I need. So they are very strict on the 5-minute open and they don't want scalping. Is that right? Is under review a bad thing on Apex? My payout went from pending to this. Mitch Marvin, not necessarily. Just means they're reviewing it. Yeah, I don't think so. Wow, let's go, Sharoos. That was a great job. Great target. Great target. All right, I'm very interested to see if we make new lows down here, the 220s. Right here is kind of what I've got, my, like the 220s right here. We're going to see some support, I feel like. If we don't, who knows? We could just keep. All right, I'm thinking about taking, how we doing, Design now? Sell the rips. This is 100% bearish. Yeah, I feel like it's definitely not officially bullish yet. I mean, we need to get above this like 370 area before we are really in an option to go long, I feel like. But I mean, for the short term, we could see a bounce. I'm ready for anything today. Today, my mental capacity is back filled all the way up. I feel great today, to be honest. I feel great. Thanks to the TakeProfit Trader payout, I feel great. And you know, the main thing so reviewing my trading yesterday, I mean, it was obviously, I don't like when I trade like that, but it's also very, very easy to see what I did wrong. Like, it's very easy to see. I literally revenge traded 5 trades in a row. Didn't even follow my setups. Nothing. Just straight revenge trading for 5 trades. To me, not that I like that, but I prefer it that way. It's just, it's easy to define what went wrong. And it gives me confidence that, hey, just get back to your basics and follow your strategy. Part of the problem, the one thing I also realized is that I need to stop doing. So those 5 accounts, I was being super aggressive. In the future, this is a note to self. In the future, I don't mind if I get aggressive, but I can't get aggressive on entries. I can get aggressive with size, but if I want to be aggressive, I still have to make sure I trade my setups. That's where I really messed up, is I started becoming aggressive, and I was aggressive on entries where I was basically just trading without a strategy, just trading, just clicking buttons. And that's always when things fall apart for me. So I gotta get back to the basics and just wait for my setups and be patient and then take them. If I lose because my setups failed, I can live with that. And I am fine accepting that versus just pushing buttons and then revenge trading. Like that's what feels bad, or I hate that type of feeling. All right, market, what are we doing? We kind of just hanging out here at the 250s and maintaining, trying to just stay hanging around. Also, do we have any news? I don't think we do. I need to make good decisions today. Yes, everybody in chat, let's have a great day today, man. Let's have a nice green day. No revenge trading, no tilt sessions. Just everybody stay nice and calm. Everybody nice and calm, and we just take our trades. And they immediately go to profit target, and then we go golfing the rest of the day. That to me sounds like one of those perfect kind of days. We would take it. Hey, Angel, good morning. JD, good morning. Okay, Trump speaks at 2? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Hey, Mr. Wall Street. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Mr. Wall Street. Did you think about that too? So yesterday, when I went on tilt, I locked myself out of my accounts, right? But then, again, I'm not saying this was a good idea, even though it did turn out to be okay. I think it's a dangerous game to play. But I locked myself out of the accounts that I had currently. All of a sudden, I realized, you know what? If I buy new accounts, then I won't be locked out of those accounts. That's why I ended up, I got 3 Tick accounts. I got 2 more Tradeify accounts, and I went and reset a 75K pro account with TakeProfit. I mean, I'm not saying that's a good idea. Please don't do that. But I did, and it thankfully worked out. We basically covered our cost with that TakeProfit Trader payout, but definitely not something I want to create a habit of doing. It's just not smart. Next time it will not work, and then I will feel even worse than when I just stopped trading. So, note to self. President Trump is scheduled to deliver remarks at a rally in Florida. Wait, he's in Florida? Where at in Florida? I'm in Florida. Read your mail. Oh no, what? No. Red poker. I have traded that way for years. But yeah, that's the main takeaway from yesterday was it's okay to trade aggressive. Like there are times that I think it makes sense to trade more aggressively, and that I'm okay with, but I just have to make sure I do it like I just have to increase my size, but then maintain the same strategy and patience as I do with my normal trading. That's kind of the same. I'm going to try to approach passing evals the same way. Okay, President Trump is in Orlando, Florida today. Okay, good deal. Trump is at the BDH right now. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Oh dear. Can you imagine I get Trump to come into the closet? It'll be great, I promise. It will be the best ever. Oh dear. Oh. How was my golf after? I actually did not golf yesterday. I actually did not. I ended up not playing golf yesterday. But, it's all right. I would love to have Trump here. You know what I would do if Trump was in my closet? I would wait till he would like go to the restroom. Like once he would make a run to the restroom, I'd make sure to give him lots and lots of water. I'd give him lots of water. As soon as he would go to the restroom, I would take his phone and I would start making some tweets. I would tweet about the tariffs, how I would be like, hey, I'm going to double the tariff percentage or whatever and make sure I'm short. I go short and then I tweet about it. Infinite money glitch, 100%. Hopefully that's not somehow a hopefully the Secret Service is not listening in. I did not mean that as a threat in any way, shape, or form. That was just a joke. Okay, back off. And you go to federal prison. I go to federal prison, but I'm rich. Oh dear. Hey, I need to find out what is the My Funded Futures. Hang on. Did you know My Funded Futures? I got to talk to them. 2 weeks ago, My Funded Futures just sent me an email and said, you can no longer be an affiliate. That's unfortunate. They said my affiliates were so bad, they said they cut me off. So the current leader with My Funded Future is up 351%. Jeez. Thought I was doing pretty good. And never mind. Actually, today, maybe. Oh, wait, you guys can't see this. Hang on. This is my, well, no, you can't see. But here, look, this was my trade from the overnight session. We went short up here at the 20,615s. We covered all the way down here at the 295s. And now we are long at the 273s. So if we can make a move all the way back up here, hey, maybe we can make it on the leaderboard. It's $5,000 for first place. I mean, that's worth it. And it's a $5,000 live account. Actually, I would rather have third place, because third place you get $2,500 cash. Cash money. Where did my personal account go? That is a good question. I actually have it, and I'm okay. How do I want to say it? I'm actually doing really well on my personal account, but I've actually purposely just not been sharing it at all because I feel like anytime I share like how something is going, like if it's going really well, and I make a post on it, it's like immediately it just goes against, like, that'll be the high of my account. But I have been trading it, and it is actually been going really well. It's been going really well. I'll do an update on it. Actually, we should just do an update, I guess. Make sure that make sure I Photoshop my broker statements. I'll contact Danny Trades, see if he can help me out. Oh man, that lunatic. All right, market. I would prefer you go higher, but I don't really mind. I mean, the fact that the 220, 230 area has held, yeah, Danny Trades got issues. He has issues. Sharoos. Oh, sorry. Long at 291. Long at 291. Okay. Only one micro? One micro. Is that correct? Maybe I just need to jump in here. I need to pay attention on the chat. It's a little bit harder. We missed 2 trades. Oh no, I'm sorry. Okay, we're just jumping in then. I'm sorry, Sharoos. That's where the chat trading is a little difficult at times. All right, where do you want the stop loss take profit? Do you have something in mind? Let me know what you got in mind. This loss is Nutty's fault. It is. 50 points stop loss. Okay, so 290 to, I mean, we basically just do it at the low of the day here. Is that okay? And are we doing the same profit target, $50, what we're looking for? I'm good with that. Now it wants to fall apart. I did get a little bit of a, okay, I need to make sure if this loses, it's my fault. It is. I actually find it interesting how other people trade as well. I do like it. All right. So 50 points would actually be right here. Do I make the stop right here? Feel like that's not a bad place either. Tell me, Sharoos, what do you want for it? Also, are we adding? Okay, we go to the lows. Sounds good. Are we adding here? Am I to be? I'll be on my toes here. All right. I like it. I like it. Just need a little bit of a rip. As long as the 250s hold. As long as they hold, I think we're going to be okay. But it's been a very choppy open, to be honest. Very choppy open. Hey, I forgot the clock. Thanks, everybody. Thank you. Clock is incoming. Clock, 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 clock. Jeez. Guys are... uh, it's alive. Hey, Black Beauty Machine. How's it going? Why are we trading one micro? We will never make 2K with one micro. It's okay because this account is a chat traded account. And we are gonna do whatever they want to do. That's just how we're gonna roll. Come on, market. It's starting to look a little heavy here. If we rip below the 220s, as long as we hold here, we still might be fine. We could still be fine here. Hey, Patrick. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thanks for being here. Also, thanks everyone for the subs. Thanks for the likes. Okay, here we go. Rip it, baby. Rip it. That's a great bounce right off of this 260 level once again, but we have to get above this 320s. Come on. Oh, don't be a douchebag. Hey, let's go, Sharoos. Sharoos, 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Let's go, Sharoos. Love to see it. Nicely done. Nicely done. Oh yeah, we were gonna, okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys. This is, I might as well just show it. This is my live account. We're gonna do a custom date range from November, I think November some, I'll just make sure, like October 1st is when I got the account to today. So our total P&L is 7,500. Dude, that's insane. I have spent $2,100 on fees. That's deflating. That's insane. I didn't even see that. What? But here's the, well, this is where we were in drawdown in January. Then I started trading. Right here, I started just being aggressive, like a little more aggressive, but man, that is actually shocking. Oh my gosh. How do I have $2,000 in fees? I guess the micros will do that to you. Wow. That's crazy. Broker statement's gonna be 300 pages long. I mean, I do trade a lot of micros. Maybe I need to, that is actually disturbing. What? But this was, so we basically took a 5,000, this is a $5,000 account, and we basically have it at 14,000. I've taken I'm taking a payout, but yeah, it's going not too bad, not too shabby. Honestly, and most of this is trading overnight sessions. Overnight sessions, I really just, I seriously might need to consider only trade the overnight sessions, especially recently. Hey, here we go. 370s. She's ripping higher. We are about to test VWAP right here at the 388s. All right. I need to pay attention here. Can we get above VWAP? Make sure, Sharoos, make sure. Sorry, Sharoos. I'll try to make sure that I don't miss more of your chat. Great trading this morning, Sharoos. Good job. Good job. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Hey, thank you, Matty Matt. You guys are the ones that are chill. Yeah, the mic, I need to actually look at. I'm researching currently. I am Googling for other brokerages with lower commissions. That's what I'm currently Googling. Only problem is I really do like trading on Ninja Trader. Man. Wow. Okay, we're testing VWAP here. If you start trading a live account, you can drastically cut CME fees and NFA fees by leasing a CME seat a couple hundred a month. The broker won't save you that much. Okay. I need to figure out. Yeah, that actually upsets me that I've spent $2,000 on fees. How the heck is that even possible? I have not been paying attention, to be quite honest. I guess that's my fault. I guess that would be my fault. Okay, trying to get above that 380s. Trying to break above the VWAP. On what fees? Yeah, it's like 3. You won't stop trading? No, I'm talking about my live account. My live account, I've spent $2,000 in fees. But I mean, I could switch to minis, but that's also way more risky. So one of my risks, so my risk settings, I have my risk settings set. That's one thing I really like about doing, like, you can see here. Okay, we're just ripping higher. But here are my risk settings on my live account. 750 daily loss limit, weekly limit, loss limit of 1,800. My daily profit trigger, weekly profit trigger. And you cannot change this during the day. Like, watch. If you try to... Wait. Yeah, you can't do it until the end of the day. So it's really nice to actually have... I like that feature. I really like it. But I don't know. We got to figure something out with the fees. But man, this market is straight up ripping higher, folks. Let's go. 400 target hit, Matty Matt. Nicely done. Yeah, I knew I took a lot of trades with micros, but man, I did not think it was that much. I did not realize it was that much. Okay, right here, the 420s is a big key area. So I would love to see a little bit of a pullback here. And then I will jump in with my take profit account. Take profit account. I will be trading micros. We will be trading 5 micros. The goal, my goal for this take profit trader account, honestly, if we can secure $500, I'm gonna be pretty happy with that. Now we gotta pay attention here. Again, I'm going to be trading my strategy. Give me a good setup and I'll take it. But anything other than that, I'm not just gonna click buttons. Wait, why? Hang on, what? Do I have that on the wrong? Oh, I did have that on the wrong account. Okay, now we're good to go. Okay, 356 long. Okay, you got it. Yours one micro, Sharoos, correct? This will show you the huge difference in fees. Thank you, John. I'm gonna capture. I am going to save this site. Oh wow, I see that. Okay, thank you very much, John. Appreciate that. We need to look into that. We need to look into that if we're going to keep trading a live account. I don't like giving away $2,000 just for fun. Okay, let's pay attention here. I want this to consolidate a little bit. I'm not going to... This is not an entry. If we could just rip straight up, and I guess I'm just going to miss out if that's the case. Okay, yes. Okay. See, John is good for something. It takes a little work and paper end of it, but it's worth it if you go that route. Yeah, 100%. I'm looking, Sharoos, 356 long. That's what I have, right? We got 356 long, 1 micro. We are good. We are good. Okay, we're definitely starting to consolidate here at the 420s. Let's see. I like a little deeper pullback here, to be honest. Might not get it, though. We might not get it. You're good, Tom. Get off and smoke a cigar or something. No, I'm very happy. This was all overnight trading. Every single one of these trades, overnight trading. Overnight trading is OP. I'm telling you, overnight trading is where it's at. Look at this nice downtrend. Beautiful downtrend. Just absolutely beautiful. And it feels like during the New York session, we just don't get that. At least not like, we might get a big move, but it'll happen in like 3 or 4 candles, where if you don't jump in and just, you almost have to chase it. You almost have to chase it in order to get in. A lot of times with the New York session, like, it will make big moves, but if you don't get in on it, it's hard to jump in we don't get those nice steady pullbacks. I mean, we do sometimes, but it's just even the pullbacks are way harder. The pullbacks are deeper, and it's just harder to sit through some of those pullbacks. Do I know why it downtrends, Snowman? I have no idea. I don't claim to know, and I don't even care. I'm just here to make money, whatever it takes. I am not how I don't care how I make money. If we make money, that's the only thing I care about. All right. Come on, market. Pull back a little bit more. Look at the first 15-minute in oil. Oh, really? Hang on. What's going on with oil? This is probably not the correct contract. It's the current contract. What? 6? What is the current oil contract month? What's the current month? So I'm up at 2 a.m. trading. Sometimes, micro player, if I like what I'm seeing, yes, I am sometimes. Oh my word! Look at that! What is going on in oil? That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh, wow. Okay, is this the wrong month? Is it 4? Is it April? Is the current month? Okay, might be. Either way, it's pretty much the same thing, but wow, what a crazy move. Okay, let's get back to NQ. Well, looks like we're not going to get our entry here. It's unfortunate. Maybe we're pulling back a little bit more again. We're definitely starting to consolidate right here at the 420s. Starting to consolidate a little bit. Uh, sorry. Cancel the trade. Copy that. Yeah, we just did not get a big enough pullback here. Did not get a big enough pullback. Oh. We have officially broken above the 420s. Man, is this going to be another, we're just going to go straight up. Orlando, that's why you're up 450 today, trading 1 to 2 micros. Hey, yes, I mean, in this market, 1 micro, you could make 2K in a day. You actually could. Legitimately, you could do it. We did a little bit of consolidation. We tested the VWAP. I guess I was hoping for a pullback closer to like this 370 area. We just didn't get it. We need an overnight stream. Yeah, I thought about it, but it's kind of hard because I can't really be too loud because I'm streaming in the closet where our bedroom is in, if you know what I mean. Come on, market. Give me a nice pullback. You can do it. We're just going straight up again. Move her to a motel. I've got a feeling I would be probably the one going to the motel. Oh man, you don't have to talk. I'm sure people would watch. I mean, I guess maybe. But usually, honestly, like I will put on a trade, like, and then I'll go back to bed. I'll put on a trade. I'll put my target, stop loss, and whatever I want to put in. I'll put it in, and then I'll go back to bed. It's the best way to trade. It's the best way to trade, in my opinion. All right, 460s. Man, this thing just ripping straight up with no care in the world. Let's look at the daily chart. Daily chart. I mean, this is interesting. Yesterday's move was, if we make a move here and we start to make a move above the 740s, above yesterday's high, then maybe the bottom was in right here, the 20,075. That could be the bottom. I don't know. Oh man, people on Twitter. Patrick out here flexing on people. Unbelievable. Oh man. Brian Stonk and Patrick Whelan now trying to get into it. Oh, why do I do this to myself? That is insanity. PW flexing. I mean, he just straight up showed his affiliate payouts for the current month. I don't even have words. I, that's just crazy. I must be doing something wrong. I know. I guess he does have like 5 times. No, probably he has like 10 times more subs than I do. So I guess it's fair. But man, guy's making $25,000 a day in affiliates. I mean, I can say that because he posted it. That's just crazy. I mean, that is crazy. Yeah, Orlando. I mean, it's just that's a different. I mean, that's a different stratosphere. I mean, that's crazy. Like that's legitimately crazy. No, it was on Twitter. He was on Twitter today. All right, we got to focus up here. Man, we're getting distracted by Twitter. The tweets are getting us today. Oh my god. But okay, just to full cap like what everything is about, which I don't want to get into it that much, but okay, originally, like if I can just like the whole how everything developed, originally Brian Stonk, which full disclosure, Brian Stonk is a great trader, okay? Like I like Brian Stonk. I mean, I have nothing. I think he's legitimate. But he was showing his payouts with TakeProfit Trader. They were just screenshots of his payouts. And of course, Patrick Wieland, he called him out and said, this is from affiliates, not from TakeProfit Trader trading. And of course, Brian got offended, but he did admit that there was about 25% of his payouts that he was showing was from affiliates. So he was including his affiliates with his trading payouts and pretending like they were all from trading. So technically, Patrick had a point. Anyway, but Brian did not like that. And then he accused Patrick of basically purposely blowing through a ton of evals and funded accounts. So basically, that's a way that Patrick increases his affiliates to get his followers to also blow through more accounts. Which is like, what? I mean, I find that hard to believe. First of all, there's a couple problems. There's a couple problems with that analogy. First of all, Patrick does not show every single red day that he has. And I mean, I personally don't care anymore, but he does show his red days. But basically, Patrick's point was he showed his affiliates to show the days that he showed his blowups, his affiliates were less than other days. Anyway, okay, we need to pay attention here. Where's Sharuz? Yeah, it see, you know what? I'm not gonna say more, but I'm pretty sure it, and this is just from my, I don't think affiliates has anything to do with if you blow up accounts. I hope it doesn't. I don't think so, but I mean, I don't know. But anyway, the prop firm drama continues. Tune in for episode 2. Wait, now Brian Stonk also shared his affiliates? Oh my gosh, what are we doing, folks? All right. We just out people they are out here wilding. Uh what are we doing, folks? Oh my gosh. Anyway, we live in wild times, folks. We live in the wild times. All right, boys, we need to focus. We need to focus up here. Coach Captain Franz took me a while to figure that out. Oh, okay, we're good. The king of Photoshop and scams knows when someone else is doing the same. Yeah, that's basically what Patrick said. Patrick said he's the king of it, and he can spot him from a mile away. And now all of a sudden, Patrick has turned into the detective of the prop firm world. How the turns have tabled. All right, we kind of messed the bed up here. We need to focus up. Oh man, focus, Nutty, focus. Getting distracted by the drama. Can't help myself. I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for some good drama. He just seems to like you, so I subscribe. Trade deficit. Hey, you know what? You know what the key is to? Do you know what the very this is starting to become more and more true. You know what the key is? The key is to just be transparent. Like, just don't lie. It's not that hard. For example, I mean, I don't take this as me trying to toot my own horn, but it's not that hard. Like, it really isn't. It really isn't that hard. It just, I don't get it. Like, why do people, it's not that hard. For example, if you make a tweet, if you want to make a post about payouts, just show the proof. Show the proof and show exactly, like, just be honest. It's not that hard. And if you're just honest, you got nothing to worry about someone trying to expose you or call you out. I got nothing to hide. That's the beauty. I mean, anyway, I'll just be quiet. I'll just be quiet. It's all good. But it did kind of disappoint me, I'll be honest. I was definitely disappointed that Brian was showing his affiliates and pretending like those were trading payouts. I feel like he just kind of glossed over that part, and like, that's okay thing to do. To me, no, that's not cool. Like, that's just, I don't get it. Why would you do that? What's the point? I get it. They're all trying to sell their discords and everything else and yada yada, but you don't need to do that to sell discords, because I don't think so anyway. But anyway, it's okay. You know, I've decided to each their own. However, if people want to run their YouTube channel however they see fit, I'll just sit in the back with my popcorn, I guess. Okay, market. We failed to make new highs. We failed to make new highs on that move. I do want to take some trades on this account. So, the fact we failed to make new highs here has me worried. This is always where I tend to have problems. I want to see if we can at least, if we can come down and test the EMA and the VWAP right here, and we get a good entry long, we will take it. And I got to make sure I pay attention. Make sure I'm on micros, not minis, and I think we are good to go. Hey, that's what you're doing a lot lately, Versatility, just grabbing the popcorn. I guess I should clarify. I don't always just sit in the back with my popcorn. Sometimes I have a big stick and I just go in there and I just poke around. I poke around and I get everybody fired up. Kellyanne is still mad at me. She's still mad. Like she got man, I mean, it's just crazy how Kellyanne, she just really, I mean, she really takes things personal, man. She did not appreciate me promoting her affiliate code with Funded Family Futures. You know, you would think most people would be like very grateful if I promote their affiliate code. Most people would be very grateful. They would be like, "Oh, thank you, Nutty. Oh, you didn't have to do that. That's so kind of you." Most people, but no, she got real mad. Hell hath no fury like the wrath of a woman. I need to stop. I need to stop trolling Kellyanne because she she actually scares me a little bit, just a little bit. Oh, I hope she's probably listening. She's probably listening. Oh, Traitorous Chick, good morning, Carolina. I thought you were taking a day. Well, okay, Carolina, I was going to take the day off and then I went on an funded account buying eval or funded account buying spree yesterday afternoon, and it actually ended up working out really well. Yesterday afternoon, I had a really good afternoon, and I bought two more Tradify accounts, had got nice profit. I bought three Tick accounts, got nice profit. We didn't buy. We activated a blown 75K Pro account and we got $5,000 profit in it yesterday. And we took a $2,000 payout out of it this morning. So I feel great. I'm ready to roll. Okay, we actually might have an entry here. If we might get an entry here. No. All right. Let's see if we can test the new highs. That's all we want. We want to be below this, though. Don't fake me out, market. Okay? Please? This is for my daily payout. Don't mess it up. I mean, I like I'm fine with the entry here. We're consolidating. The wicks are nice. We just need a retest of these. Retest of the highs. That's all we need, market. You can do it. You can do it. Big green candle here. Big green one. Come on. I might take two off here, maybe. I really need this to get above the 460s. Come on. It's being difficult. I do not like that we did. I mean, we got to close. This candle has to close green. Feel like if this doesn't close green, we might have to kill this. Really? Come on, just do it. Come on. Go. All right, we're going to take 2 off right there. We're going to... What? Okay, never mind. Now we're going to try to get it to break through. Go, baby, go. Daily payouts. We need them. We want them. That would be a super aggressive target. We will try to trail this. We will try to trail it, but we got to break through here. I don't want to see a wick. No wicks allowed. Go, baby, go. All right, we're locking it in some. Please go higher. Please, please, please. Go, baby. Just go. We might need to take it off here, the 500s. Yeah, let's take it off at the 500 level. That's kind of a... Could be a key level on the 500s. The whole numbers are always a little iffy. Watch this rip right through it and go to the 550s, but it's okay. That, hey, guys, we have a daily payout secured. Let's go. Daily payouts for the win. Oh, it's gonna rip now, huh? Well, 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 well. Hey, thank you, Jadez. Yes, Carolina, we have take profit. We've officially done a take profit payout first, and I'm so excited. Now I just want to take it slow and steady and rack up like 2 $500 days and just accumulate those daily payouts. We're not going to do anything crazy. Just get those nice daily payouts and try to keep this account going long term. The curse is lifted. The floodgates shall open, and there we shall... Abundance. We will have abundance of daily payouts, I hope. What amount can you withdraw daily? You can withdraw, it's an 80-20 profit split. So this account right here, 80-20 profit split. Any amount over your threshold, which is... So this was a 75K account. So any amount over 77,500, you can request a daily payout from. Mikey, Nutty's famous last words. Not going to do anything crazy. Also, you can see in the stream, the payout proof, that is a Google Drive folder where I will have all my payout proof. Basically, it should match up the dollar amount totals that you see, just for those that want to see the proof. All right, let's see a pullback again, and I would love to do that over again. These are the kind of trades that I just love these trades. I love it. My favorite kind of trades. Once you are over the threshold and take profit trader, if you dip below it again, does the trailing drawdown kick in again? No. No, it's like Apex. So if once you're above the threshold, the trailing drawdown goes away. I am very interested to see. So I would actually, this is the one, like, I will take the fib, I will do a fib retracement. I'm very curious where we're at. So from the overnight highs, we are right now at the 61. This is very interesting. If we, I mean, we might make it all the way and push right back up to the 560s, to be honest. All right, we got to pay attention. I'd love to get another pullback. I don't want to be, we need to be closer to this EMA for me to take a trade. This is just a little bit too far extended here to be taking this, be pretty aggressive. I'm confused. I thought the profit target for the 75K was 4,500. It's your drawdown amount, R5 Studios. So whatever your drawdown is, well, here, let me just show you guys. It's easier to show you. So an easy way to remember is, for example, 25K account. Now, this is once you're funded. Once you have your pro account, the end of day trailing drawdown. So any amount over $1,500, you can take daily payouts on any amount over 1,500 on a 25K, any amount over 2,000 on a 50K, any amount 2,500 on a 75K, 100K is 3,000, and 150K is 4,500. So that's the best way to remember it. That's the best way to remember it. But it is really easy to, I mean, honestly, I think the 50Ks, since TakeProfit Trader eliminated their daily loss limit, the 50Ks, I think, are the best accounts. I think they are the best accounts. By the way, where is Timbo? Did Timbo just do a hit and run on us? I'm starting to feel like Timbo might have hit and run us. Timbo went in with 2 minis on the first 50K take profit account. He blew that account in literally 15 seconds, and we haven't seen him since. Come on, Timbo, get in here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can come back. But if you hit and run, I'm going to find you. I'm going to find you, man. I'll find you. Not sure what I'll do about it, but I'll find you. Where are you at? There, V33. V33 was great. Also, here, let me Where is Timbo? Where are you? Where are you, Timbo? Timbo up and left. If Timbo were to change the drawdown to 2.5K on a 50K, it would be the best of all. Yeah, DL, I'm rule changes with TakeProfit Trader. Because it has happened literally, it's just that it seems, I mean, I remember when Top Step said, oh, 1 step, 1 rule. And guess what? They had to change to, I don't know if they had to or not, but they did. And I feel like TakeProfit Trader is one of the only ones remaining. And I think they're going to attract the sharks. I think TakeProfit, like, it's just an unfortunate reality with these prop firms is they're going to attract the sharks. The sharks are going to pounce. And then they're going to, unfortunately, then have to change and do some things different. But I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. I really, really do. Anyway, pay attention. Pay attention here. Okay, we might have another entry, folks. We might have another entry right here. Imagine the market just gives me a nice steady uptrend all afternoon, that would be amazing. Which Apex are you trading? Rhythmic. So I'm actually, so my 150K accounts are Rhythmic accounts, but my 50K accounts are Trade accounts. By the way, yeah, so now I have room for 5 more 50Ks, and I'm actually thinking about switching to 150Ks. Seem to have, I don't know what I want to do. I haven't fully decided. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient and hope. I'm gonna hope that Apex does a 90% sale soon. I have no idea if they will or not, but I'm gonna wait, and if they do a 90% sale, I might try to pass some 150K accounts. Okay, we're getting this pullback. Now we need to be careful. This is our first test of the EMA. And again, the reason we have to be careful is the longer time frame is still in a downtrend, and I'm a little bit wary that we could just sell off, make new lows at some point today. That could happen. And I would prefer not to get trapped if that does happen. Oh, hey, AJ, first time watching. I typically watch Patrick. Hey, thanks. I know Patrick sent a lot of you guys over. Thank you. Appreciate it. I will be at the BDH again on the 19th and 20th. Patrick said he's going to have some kind of event planned. Like he's going to do the special event or whatever we're going to do after stream. I'm very curious and kind of scared of what he's going to plan. Oh, all right. Time to, if we consolidate a little bit here, I don't really see a reason not to take another long, but I am a little bit scared. Just a little bit. He said black clothes and black mask. Yeah, sounds like we're gonna rob a bank. Yeah, it's baby. Yeah, Go and Trades. I've known that all along. BDH stands for Baby Dollhouse. I thought that was well known. Have I used TopStep X accounts with your copier? No, Papa. So you can't, unfortunately, for some reason, and I would love to know how and why. For some reason, sorry, I lost my train of thought here. For some reason, TopStep, their Trade platform doesn't allow you to connect to NinjaTrader. I don't know why. To me, I think they do it on purpose. Honestly, I think it's on purpose so that you're forced. They're going to try to make it as inconvenient as they can so that more to basically use any other platform than TopStep X. They want everyone using TopStep X, so they're going to make it inconvenient to use other platforms. And I wish, honestly, if TopStep would allow Trade and would allow NinjaTrader connections, I would probably have TopStep X accounts. I probably would, but it's just, it's not worth it. All right, we need to pay attention here. Market just continuing to roll over here, and I'm going to size down. I'm going to size down to 3 micros here instead of 5. And we will see if we get a move. I'm going to wait for a move like above this level. I need to see this, and I'll just adjust this accordingly, but we're still in the short-term uptrend. Longer term, it's definitely still, we could go lower. Do you or anybody here have comments on MT4, MT5 versus Trader 8? I mean, MT4, MT5, that's for the Forex. I've never used it, so I'm not sure. I don't really have a an opinion on that. If we take out today's low and potential target next few days, okay, good to know. Yeah, it is 11 a.m. That is, thank you, Hubert. That is true. Yeah, exactly, Oyster. Tradeovate Ninja Trader is the same company. Oh wow, look at that rip lower. Okay, I'm gonna cancel that order. Now we wait. I mean, now it is starting to look like we are gonna roll over. And this is where I usually should just walk away. Like, imagine one day, you know what I've been thinking? Maybe I should just switch my bias and go and look for a short setup here. Maybe I should. It's a crazy concept. Hey, Sharuz says long, 1 micro, 368. Roger that. Roger that. We're getting in. Oh, wait, not yet. 368. 368 and a quarter. That's what it's gonna be. Okay, 368. We got an order. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, Sharuz. Are we doing the same profit target? Are we doing the same profit target? Okay, same one. Okay. You got it, sir. You got it, sir. You were short from the 480s and took profit at consolidation. Oh, hey, profit is profit, Black Coffee. Profit is profit. No, but I've been self-employed my whole 50-year adult life. Are you serious, Mr. Wall Street? Wow, that's impressive. Also, did you guys see my expenses? My expenses, my year-to-date expenses just skyrocketed thanks to yesterday. It's crazy. It is actually insane how quickly you can rack up your costs. It's pretty crazy. And I told myself I need to go on a little bit of a cleanse, a little bit of a cleansing session in a sense of buy no more. I need to just chill. Oh, do I take a stab at this? All right, I'm gonna take a stab here. If we get filled, if we get filled, we get filled. You don't think it's come down enough yet, Mr. Wall Street? You might be right. Nah, it's too late now. We in this. Come on, baby. Just take me home. Take me home, baby. Don't even hesitate. Don't hesitate. Just rip it straight up. Straight higher. Come on. Let's go. Hold it. Amos Flomo. 19,000 across 16 accounts. Let's go, Amos. Let's go. Nicely done. Man, that's a nice VWAP bounce right there. That is a nice VWAP bounce. Took my profit a little bit early. I was a little bit of an early profit there, but we'll take it. Mike Lavoli, wait. I haven't had to do it yet, but I think I will this year. Last year, I only made 8K in prop firms and spent 5K, so I'm not filing. Yeah, Mike, I am not a financial or tax advisor, but I highly recommend, if you got a 1099, please file that in your tax returns. And then you can include the 5K in expenses as an expense. So you'll have a net, of 3K. But if you get a 1099 and you don't include it in your taxes, that is an immediate red flag for the IRS. Immediately. They will find out. They will find out. And they will get you. He says, nope, I'm running from the IRS and they can come get me over 3K. I love it. You know what? I respect it. Mike Lavoli is going to be out there. He's going to put his house, his car. He's going to put everything into his wife's name. He's going to change his name, his social security number, and he'll change his identity. But hey, he saved 3,000. I got to respect it. The IRS gets a copy of the 1099. Exactly. Did you get your 1099 from Apex? Yes. Okay, so everyone from Apex, I've had a couple people ask me. I've had a couple people ask me about the 1099. So the 1099s from Apex, you should have gotten them through a email. Let me see if I can actually find it. I think it was through... Yeah, Tax Bandits. So you should have an email from Tax Bandits that has your Apex 1099 forms. So just FYI. Search your email, everything for Tax Bandits. Wow, this was a nice entry. I should have held. Oh my goodness. Does the 1099 form have any of your expenses already on it? No, they do not. Let me give you guys a little bit of tax advice that is not tax advice. Okay? Listen closely. This is not tax advice, but listen before you do your taxes. Okay? So you're going to get a 1099 from Apex. That is your income. That if you are an affiliate, that will include your affiliate income and your trading income combination. Now, that only covers your income. It is up to you to get your expenses together. The best way to do that is through, if you go to your dashboard, I believe. If you go to your dashboard and in the useful links, there is a payment history. Click on the payment history. And then you can select, basically highlight everything. That's not the right one. That's not what I was looking for. Now I'm confused. I haven't done this in a year, so. But basically, in a nutshell, you need to gather, you can even do it through your credit card. Like if you purchase your Apex accounts with a credit card, you can go through the statement, collect all your fees, your activation fees, your eval fees, any fees, your computer. If you have a computer where you do all your trading, any fees that you have, categorize it, and then you can write that off as an expense. But this is not tax advice. Don't listen to me, but listen to me. Just listen to what I said, but not tax advice. Don't sue me. End of quote. You can also keep your emails. Oh, I would rather slice my own finger. I would rather cut off my own finger than keep all my Apex emails. Oh, dear Lord. But yes, you could do that as well. Consult with your tax professional that is not streaming in a closet that calls himself Nutty Bar. Don't listen to that guy, okay? I should not have to tell you this. Shouldn't have to tell you. Don't listen to a guy that streams from a closet that calls himself Nutty Bar. Don't listen to that guy. That only has an 8th grade education as well. Okay? Now, I feel like I can't get any more clearer than that. Oh, dear. Oh, okay. I just need to go further down on the payment history. Okay, good. For not tax advice, do you trade inside of an LLC? Yeah, not tax advice, but actually, I actually am creating a S Corp. So I'm going to create an S Corp, and then I have my trading YouTube as one company. And then eventually I also want to create another YouTube channel and an LLC for my golfing, which means any expenses then that I incur through golfing, I can also use as a tax write-off. There's a little glitch there. Again, this is not tax advice. Maybe a couple years from now we'll do, never mind. We're not going to do OnlyFans. Never. We should collab on the golfing. Let's go, Lynn Davenport. Once I have my golfing, I'm working on it. I'm working on getting my golfing content locked in. It honestly, it takes a lot more. It takes a lot longer. I have to learn how to actually edit videos, which sucks. I am not rich enough. I'm not like Patrick. I'm not rich enough that I can just hire an editor. I got to learn how to do it myself. So I got to do the editing. And like, you know, on my channel has how many YouTube videos do I have on my channel? It's probably crazy. Let's see. Anybody want to guess? I'm going to say over 1,000. We probably have over 1,000 videos. No, we don't. 879. We have 879 videos. Not a single one of them is edited. Not a single one. Every one of them is a one take video with zero editing. That's kind of crazy. Oh man, look at this move. I assume, Shrews, that we can close this. I assume we can close this. Man, I could have taken another entry right there. I could have. Would have been a little bit risky, though. Yep. All right, will do. Nice trading today, Shrews. Very nice. What is my trade copier? I use Replicanto. What about commissions? Are they an expense? Commissions. No, Larry Hudo. The only time you can actually use commissions as an expense is if you're trading your live account. Your live account, like your brokerage statement, will then show that. But with prop firms, no, the commissions are already deducted on your 1099. So that is not how that works. Oh, this is, man, that right here could have been another entry, but we did not take it. But at the same time, I'm kind of okay with a $400 day. That means, so $400, I'm going to do this calculation a lot. I can already tell. 20% of $400 is what? 80 bucks. Man, that hurts. So 400 minus $80, we can take a $320 payout again right now if we just shut everything down. In the bank tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow. Actually, one thing that TakeProfit Trader, maybe it's always been this way, but it took until after midnight until their dashboard updated, which kind of sucked, but I guess it is what it is. What about expenses? What about expenses for OnlyFans sites? Well, I used while trading. Well, I'm going to say you're going to want to consult your tax professional on that one. Maybe it could be classified as some kind of mental, maybe like some kind of mental stability type of thing, maybe. I feel like we're reaching here. Maybe psychiatrist. I feel like a psychiatrist definitely could be an expense. I feel like me getting a massage would be almost classified as a way of recouping from a really bad day. I don't know. I feel like you might have a point. But by the way, guys, did I tell you? I don't think I shared this with you guys. I wasn't. Maybe I, you know what? I'm going to share it anyway. You know what I did? Not for Valentine. Well, it was, I'm going to say it was kind of part of the Valentine's. You know what I did? I took, I got a manicure and a pedicure. Hey, and I'm just saying, a pedicure is underrated. Even as a guy, I'm just saying, it was pretty lit. It was, I was a fan. I was a big fan. I took me and the wife, we went and did a manicure and a pedicure, and then we went shopping the rest of the day. And then at the end of the shopping spree, we went to Ruth Christie's Steakhouse, and I gotta say, that was one of the best Valentine's days that we've had. No, was that for her birthday? You know what? I get that confused. I think it was for her birthday. But that was a lot of fun. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Oh, the leg massage. They had a tropical manicure. That's what I got. no, pedicure. The tropical, they took frozen oranges and they exfoliated my calves, and then they had frozen oranges that they rubbed on my legs and my feet. And all I'm going to say is don't hate. If you have never done it, you need to. It's the bomb. It is underrated, man. Feel like the women kind of keep that as their own secret. I think more guys would do it if they would know how nice it is, they would do it. And I'm one of those guys where I hate when my feet are like very callousy. It's one of my pet peeves is when I wear socks and you know how they kind of catch and snag on my socks? Absolutely hate that feeling. And getting a pedicure, I mean, my feet were as smooth as butter. Best feeling ever. Oh, it was so nice. Okay, we failed to make new highs again, yet we keep kind of establishing a little bit of a trend here. Oh, this is tempting to try to... This is dangerous, I feel like. But we did make new highs on this move. You know what? We're probably going to be trading in a range. That would make the most sense. We're probably going to be trading in like a range anywhere from the 480s to the 400s. And we're probably going to just trade this range, maybe go sideways for the next hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we could see a break lower or higher from there. But I probably should just I probably should walk away. We have a nice green day after a blow up yesterday. Actually, we had 2 blow-ups in a row. 2 days in a row that we blew up. That is... Let's not do that again. That was no fun at all. I did not like it. Not like it one bit. Hey, Carolina, question. If I got a payout from trade day, but not Apex, can I also add Apex expenses? Yes. Yes, Carolina. So you can, again, okay, this is not tax advice, but you can have all your prop firm income. So basically add up, turn in all of your 1099s for your prop firms. If you're trading with 5 different prop firms, let's just, for example, say you're trading with 5 different prop firms and you have 1099s for all of them. Turn that in as your income and then go collect all your expenses for all 5 prop firm expenses and combine that, and that is tax deductible. But again, this is not tax advice. Hey, 100 lot in the house. Good to see you, 100 lot. Good to see you. Thank you. I mean, I'll be honest, 100 lot. Yesterday I blew 5 accounts. The day before that I blew 5 accounts. So it definitely got me. I don't know how accurate that is. Does anyone here know if Apex requires all subsequent withdrawals to be more than the previous amount requested? No, Captain Crunch, no. From what I understand, the only time your withdrawal needs to be more than your previous one is if you request 500 and that amount is denied, then the next time you request, it needs to be the same amount. It can't be more. That I'm still trying to get clarity. I am still trying to get confirmation on that, but supposedly that's the case. I kind of wish I had known that. I might have changed some things, but anyway, it is what it is. But that is one thing I'm trying to get clarity on. Yeah, 100 lot. Sometimes it'd be like that. I was just an idiot. I was an idiot yesterday, and I got mad. I got mad at the market, and the market won. I picked a fight with the market, and did not end well. Did not end well at all. Is Apex legit? I mean, yeah. So here, let me. In my opinion, it is my opinion, and I need to fully disclose this in case, just in case Kellyanne is listening. I am affiliated with Apex, so according to some people, that makes my opinion invalid. If you are of that opinion, that's okay. Here's my here's my biased opinion. Apex, yes, they are legit. Are they difficult to, do they have a lot of rules to follow? Yes, they do. They definitely have, they're more picky about their rules, but do they offer the best return on investment? If you, with 20 accounts, if you choose to get 20 accounts, you don't have to, but do they offer a great return on investment? Yes, they do. Do you have to follow the rules in order to get paid? Yes, you do. Do you, if you follow the rules, will you get paid? Yes, you will. That's my that's my biased opinion. I now have to say I'm biased toward Apex because Kellyanne said so. What is the most difficult rule? Honestly, I have, again, now this is just my personal opinion, but I think the most difficult rule to follow is actually the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Hey, look at that. 100 lot. He followed the rules and got paid. There you go. There's thousands of people that get paid out every month. By the way, today should be tonight. Tonight, I should be releasing the top 10 video for the month of February, so stay tuned. Rick trades. So yeah, if there's people that just absolutely hate Apex. They just, it's like Apex came into their home and stole their one and only child, and they hate him that much. But no, they will pay if you follow the rules, and they pay the most of any prop firm out there. So let me actually explain to you guys the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule and why I think it's difficult to follow that rule, or it's also easy. It's very easy to violate that rule without really knowing it. And let me explain to you why. This is going to be a lesson. So, for example, let's say you get long right here at the 441s, right? Let's say you're long right here at the 442s, 441s. And your stop loss, just for the sake of argument, let's say your stop loss was right here at the 372s. So we've had a big drawdown. You have gone, you sat through a pretty big drawdown. Right now, from the 440s to the 390s. So you sat through a 50-point drawdown. So that means that you need to make sure you take profit of at least 10 points, 5-to-1. So if the market comes back up higher and it starts to get you in profit, and all of a sudden it starts to dance around a little bit and it looks like it's going to go lower again, and all of a sudden you just want to get out. You just want to be out of this trade. You want to make sure you close the trade for a little bit of a loss, because if you take a trade for a profit, now that technically violates the 5-to-1 risk to reward rule. And that, I'll be honest, I don't like that rule. I wish they would remove it. I've been trying to get it removed with no luck. But I wish they would remove it. I think it is way too, I just don't think it is valid, or it's not realistic. It's not realistic, if you know what I mean. So, well, but the verified proof of being denied 5-1, but I also haven't, I mean, that's kind of where it's really difficult. Like and it's more just, I don't know that there is actually being truly enforced, but it is a group together with that you've been denied for improper risk management. It is enveloped and included within that improper risk management denial. So again, that's also an issue where I wish they would be more definitive exactly which rule you broke and exactly which day and even possibly what time. So, hey, like I say, like, again, like there's things I don't like about Apex. I wish they would change. I've been told that they are working on it and they're going to have some improvements, whatever. We'll wait and see. But those are things that you have to be aware of. But if you're aware of those things and you're just mindful of it, then it's pretty easy to follow the rules. Like once you're aware of it, then it's pretty easy to follow the rules, in my opinion. The other rule that is probably broken the most, but I don't feel like that's really that hard of a rule to follow, is the 30% drawdown in a single trade. Now, a lot of people get it confused and they think the 30% drawdown is a daily loss limit, and it's not. It's not a daily loss limit. It's just a drawdown per trade. So if you enter a trade up here with 1 mini and it starts to go against you, 30% drawdown is whatever your balance is in the beginning, etc. Like that is where you just have to be mindful of that 30%. If you get close to it, just close your trade and go back in if you want to do that. But yeah. Hey, Sharuz, 350 long. Okay, I got you, man. I got you. All right, we are in. Zabak the Midget, why even go through the headache? Get paid daily with Take Profit or a trade less stressful? I mean, yeah, that's a valid point, Zabak. I mean, I'm not saying that's not true. Like, some people don't want to deal with it. They don't want that. They don't want that. Then it's very simple. If you don't like those type of rules, then don't use Apex. It's really not that difficult. But just because you don't like it doesn't mean there's other people. There's a lot of other people that look at that and they understand the rules and they know, okay, for the return on investment, it is worth it to go through that. It is worth it to follow those rules. Just make sure you follow those rules and get paid. Like to some people, that's worth it. To others, it's not. And there's no right or wrong answer. Like whatever works for you. Like if you don't want to sit through that, don't want to do it, then yeah, obviously don't use them. But for other people, they don't mind it, and it's a net positive. That's how I look at it. That's how I look at it. I mean, to me, it is definitely worth it. That's just how it is. That's how I see it. That is my biased opinion. Okay. Let's see if we get filled here. Can Sharuz go 3 for 3? Sharuz so far today has been Sharuz has been trading really well. So I like our chances here. I'd love to see this. Let's come down, wicketh in, and then rip it higher. I like it. Let's see. We're about to get filled here. Hopefully. Here we go. Can she do it? Oh, is it not going to fill us? Come on. Does that mean they can log in and watch me trade? No, they cannot. I mean, they will have all your data. They can see how you trade, but if I have 10 accounts versus one Apex is better. Hey, again. Oh! Oh! Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my word. Okay, you got to rewind the stream. That was insane. You have to rewind you gotta rewind this. Oh my word. Look at this. Sharouz. Sharouz sniped it. I mean, you talk about a sniper entry. That was crazy. I mean, he sniped that thing to the tick. I mean, to the tick. I didn't even see it. That was so fast. Oh my gosh. We got to okay, I actually got to rewind that stream. I want to see that. I want to see a slow motion of that. Okay, hang on guys. We're going to rewind here. Okay, hang on. I'll show it. I'll show it. All right, hang on. Give me a minute. Where's my speed? Settings, speed. We need to go in slow mode because it happened so fast. Oh my word. That was crazy. Okay, watch. Now watch. This is at a half speed, fellas. Now watch. This is at half speed. Watch how fast the profit target was filled. Okay, come on. I might have backed it up a little bit too far, but let's just keep watching. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Watch. Half speed. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. Round of applause to Sharouz. Round of applause. Round of applause to Sharouz, man. Sharouz is known now from now on. Sharouz will go by the name of Sniper. All right? You need to change your name to Sniper. He sniped that like crazy. Man, he sniped that like crazy. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine if he had like this high of a that was from the 349s. I mean, that was over 100-point move. Unbelievable. That was wild. Where is Sharouz? I don't. Oh, there he is. Okay, there he is. Oh, that was crazy. Okay, yeah, I was just gonna say, do you want to call it a day? Nicely done, Sharouz. I am very, very impressed. I'm gonna call it a day as well. We are nice and green. Nice and green, and we are gonna lock it down for the day. Walk away very happy. And feel like we're back on track. Feel like we're back on track. So that was crazy. That was that was actually crazy. Oh man, he got the Trump account. That was the Trump effect. So did Trump actually make a tweet? That's some crazy good timing. Oh, that is some crazy good timing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, guys. Yeah, I knew Sharouz was I am very happy that Sharu's definitely, we will make sure to log this into 3 for 3 and some very just impressive sniper entries. All right, guys, I'm going to call it there. Thanks everyone for the support. I know a lot of you guys came over from Patrick not streaming today. I appreciate you guys stopping in, and thanks for the support. Also, it just will be live again tomorrow, 9:20, and hopefully we can have another nice green day. That would be great. So take care, everybody. I hope you guys all have a green day. If you are green, lock it in, walk away, and we'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and God bless.